Welcome back to SK Luxury Autos. The 2026 GMC Savana 3900 is a no-nonsense commercial van built for durability, power, and performance. This is not a lifestyle van or a flashy people mover. This is a serious work machine designed for businesses, fleet owners, logistics operators, and anyone who needs a reliable commercial vehicle that can take abuse and still keep going. At first glance, the 2026 GMC Savana 3900 looks exactly how a proper commercial van should look. Boxy, solid, and purposeful. GMC has not tried to reinvent the wheel here, and honestly, that's a good thing. The strong front fascia with the bold GMC grille immediately gives it a tough and confident presence. The headlights are simple and functional, designed to provide good visibility rather than style points. The tall and wide body ensures maximum interior space, which is exactly what commercial buyers want. From the side, the Savana 3900 clearly shows its strength. Long wheelbase, tall roof options, and wide sliding or rear cargo doors make loading and unloading extremely easy. Whether you're carrying tools, packages, equipment, or goods, this van is built to handle volume and weight without complaints. The rear design is simple and rugged, with large doors that open wide, making forklift and manual loading both convenient. Step inside the 2026 GMC Savana 3900, and the focus on functionality becomes even clearer. The cabin is designed for long working hours and tough environments. You won't find luxury materials or fancy ambient lighting here, but what you do get is durability and practicality. The seats are firm, supportive, and built to last, ideal for drivers who spend entire days on the road. The driving position is upright, giving excellent road visibility, especially useful in city traffic and tight delivery zones. The dashboard layout is clean and straightforward. All controls are placed where you'd expect them to be, making it easy for drivers to operate the van even if they are new to it. There's a simple infotainment system that supports basic connectivity features like Bluetooth, allowing drivers to take calls hands-free or use navigation through their phone. Storage spaces are scattered all around the cabin, perfect for keeping documents, water bottles, tools, and daily essentials within reach. Now let's talk about what really matters in a commercial van: the engine and performance. The 2026 GMC Savana 3900 comes with powerful engine options designed to handle heavy loads and demanding work cycles. The engine is tuned for torque rather than speed, which means strong pulling power even when the van is fully loaded. Whether you're driving through city streets, highways, or industrial zones, the Savana 3900 delivers consistent and dependable performance. Acceleration is smooth and predictable, and the van doesn't feel strained even when carrying serious weight. The transmission works efficiently, keeping the power delivery stable and controlled. This is especially important for commercial use, where reliability matters more than excitement. The Savana 3900 is built to start every morning, run all day, and repeat the same routine for years. When it comes to ride quality, the Savana 3900 surprises in a good way. For a heavy-duty commercial van, it handles bumps and rough roads quite well. The suspension is stiff, as expected, but it's designed to perform best under load. With cargo on board, the van feels stable and planted. Steering is not sporty, but it's precise enough to manage tight turns and parking situations, especially considering the size of the vehicle. Fuel efficiency is always a concern for businesses, and while the 2026 GMC Savana 3900 is not built to be fuel-sipping, it offers respectable efficiency for its class. The focus here is on long-term durability and load-carrying ability rather than maximum mileage figures. Fleet owners will appreciate the balance between power and fuel consumption, especially for highway use and long delivery routes. Cargo capacity is where the Savana 3900 truly shines. The massive cargo area allows businesses to customize the interior according to their needs. Whether it's shelving for tools, refrigeration units, mobile workshops, or simple open cargo space, this van is a blank canvas. The flat floor and tall roof make it easy to move around inside, reducing driver fatigue and improving efficiency during loading and unloading. Safety is another area where GMC has kept things practical. The 2026 Savana 3900 comes with essential safety features designed for commercial driving. Strong brakes, stability control, traction management, and multiple airbags help keep the driver safe during long shifts. Optional safety tech like rear-view cameras, parking sensors, and driver assistance features make daily operation easier, especially in crowded urban environments. Maintenance and reliability are major selling points of the GMC Savana 3900. This van is built using proven mechanical components that are known for long life and low maintenance costs. Service intervals are reasonable, and parts availability is generally good, making it a dependable option for businesses that cannot afford downtime. For fleet operators, this reliability translates directly into savings and peace of mind. Now the big question: who is the 2026 GMC Savana 3900 really for? This van is perfect for logistics companies, delivery services, construction businesses, electricians, plumbers, mobile service providers, and even passenger transport operators who need a tough platform. It's not meant for personal luxury use, but as a tool for earning money, it excels. Overall, the 2026 GMC Savana 3900 stays true to its identity. It doesn't try to impress with fancy looks or high-tech gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on strength, dependability, and real-world performance. In a world where many vehicles try to do everything, the Savana 3900 does one thing extremely well: it works hard. If you're looking for a commercial van that you can rely on every single day, one that's built to last and perform under pressure, the 2026 GMC Savana 3900 deserves serious consideration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.